Hello everyone, welcome back. Here I am going to show you a speedometer web app which is developed by me, used based on the React. This is the user interface of the speedometer. Uh, Coming to the, let's dive in and see how it works. Here is the speedometer interface. As you can see, it displays the current speed, uh, the minimum speed limit, and the maximum speed limit. To increase the speed, we have the accelerate button. When when we click on it, one method is applied here, one function is triggered, uh, and this is the apply brake method. When we click this, one method is applied and the speed is decreased 10 mile per hour. While increasing accelerating, speed increases 10 mile per hour. When we click the apply brake, each time it will trigger a method and the speed is decreasing but 10 miles per hour. Let's dive into the code. This is the code which is I write here. I imported some component from React and dependencies files to work in the CSS styles also here. Coming to the here, I use a class component speedometer, which is extends component, and the I use a state. Initially, I define the speed is 0. I write two methods here. On click accelerate button. When this function is triggered, it checks the current speed is less than 200 mile per hour. If it is, the speed is increased by 10 mile per hour using the set state function provided by React. On the other hand, if you need to slow down, we have apply brake button. When the apply brake button is clicked, this method is called. Uh, Here we set state method used. It will reduces the speed by 10 miles per hour. Okay, coming to the render part. Here, in some containers, div containers, I've write the code, heading and image of the speedometer, and the head count of the speed is called here in curly braces like speed. And I create the buttons. One is for acceleration. The method is called here by event handler on click. The another button which is used for apply brake. When we click this button, then on the on click event handler trigger, and this method on click apply brake button is called. So the speed was decreased. Okay, friends, this is the application. And coming to the CSS file, I played the different styles. The CSS styles are different class names: speedometer app container, speedometer container heading. All styles are defined here like this. I played the different styles for button. This is the accelerate button style. This is the apply brake button style. So coming to the compiling part, I'm opening the terminal. Here we are need to install npm or package manager. The code is in npm space install. The command is, I already installed the required dependencies files, so it shows already up to date. Now we are going to start npm start to run the web application. Let us see what will happen. Then it start the development server. This message was shown here. You can now view speedometer in the browser. I'm opening the local host here. Okay, this is the user interface. The speed is shown here, and the two buttons here are shown here. While we are clicking the accelerate, the required method triggered here, and it will increase the speed 10 miles per hour. Once it reached 200, it will stops here. And while we are going to brake, I mean clicking the brake button, the speed is decreased by 10 mile per hour. Once the speed is zero, then it will stop. Okay, okay, friends. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful for you. Uh, Happy coding.